Hey, Tyler. Long time, no see.
Sylvia. I haven't seen you here at the gym for ages.
Yeah, I've just been too busy to work out.
How's school going?
Everything's okay except for an 8 o'clock math class I have.
That is early. Say, it isn't Math 204, is it?
Yes, it is. Why?
Oh, a friend of mine is in that class.
Really? What's his name?
Zack Peterson. Do you know him?
I think so. What color is his hair?
He's a carrot top.
Yeah, that's him. He likes the morning math class as much as I do. Jean, could you help me?
Sure, Marie. What do you need?
Oh, it's this registration form I have to fill out for school. There's a line that I don't know what to do with.
Which one?
Where it says country of origin. I was born in France, but when I was a baby we moved to California. That's where I lived until I went to university.
Your mother's an American citizen, right?
Yes, she is. She was born and raised in Texas.
And you have a U.S. passport?
Yes, I do.
Well, then, don't worry about that part. It's only for people who aren't American citizens.
Thanks, that's everything. I'm finished. All I need now is a stamp and an envelope.